Have you ever wondered if you can strike gold online without having a physical product? Imagine the possibility of making money while sitting at your favorite cafe or even while traveling the world. It's a compelling idea. The world of digital products is booming, and Gumroad claims to be your key to unlocking a treasure chest of possibilities. Whether you're an artist, writer, or entrepreneur, Gumroad offers a platform to sell your digital creations effortlessly. But is it really that simple? Forget the days of inventory headaches and shipping nightmares. No more dealing with the hassle of physical goods. With Gumroad, you can potentially earn passive income while you sleep, all without creating a product from scratch. Simply upload your digital files, set your price, and let Gumroad handle the rest. Sound too good to be true? Let's dive in and critically explore whether Gumroad is the right platform for you to turn your passion into profit. Imagine a digital marketplace bustling with creators and eager customers. That's Gumroad. It's a platform where creators can easily sell anything: digital ebooks, courses, music, software, and more. But is it the right platform for you? Let's uncover the details. Gumroad allows you to leverage existing products and turn them into your own income streams. But does it offer enough value to be your go-to online store platform? Let's find out. Ever recommended a product to a friend? Affiliate marketing is just that, but with a commission. Gumroad hosts countless creators offering affiliate programs, but is it worth your time? Consider the effort required to promote products through social media, email, or your website. Evaluate if the potential earnings justify the time and energy invested. Section 4. Evaluating Gumroad. Is reselling digital gems worth it? Unearthing hidden gems can be thrilling, but is it profitable on Gumroad? Imagine finding a digital product that not only sparks joy, but also has the potential to generate a steady income stream. Is this a realistic expectation? Many creators on Gumroad offer resale rights for their products. This means you can legally purchase these digital items and then resell them as your own. But how often do these opportunities translate into real profit? While the idea of purchasing a product once and selling it for 100% profit is appealing, it's important to consider the market saturation and competition. Is it truly like finding a treasure chest that keeps on giving? Products with high demand, such as templates, stock photos, or educational resources, are always in need. However, the key question is whether you can effectively reach and attract a wide audience in a crowded marketplace. With some marketing savvy, you might turn these digital assets into a profitable venture. But it requires effort and strategic promotion. Utilize social media, email marketing, and other online tools to reach potential buyers. Evaluate if the effort you put into promoting your products is worth the potential success. Happy evaluating. Section 5. From old to sold: evaluating Gumroad for upcycling success. In this section, we'll assess how effective Gumroad is for turning your forgotten digital assets into profitable products. Consider that dusty old ebook sitting on your hard drive. You might have created it years ago, and it's just been gathering digital dust ever since. Could it be a gold mine in disguise? With some creativity and effort, you might transform it into a valuable resource for a new audience. Upcycling involves taking existing content and repackaging it for a new audience. This could mean updating the information, adding new insights, or even just giving it a fresh design. Perhaps you have a collection of blog posts that can be transformed into an ebook, or a series of social media posts that can be expanded into a comprehensive guide. Or maybe you have old course materials that can be updated and relaunched. The possibilities are endless when you start thinking creatively about your existing content. But how does Gumroad facilitate this process? The platform is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to focus on creating and repurposing content without getting bogged down by technical details. Upcycling can be a fantastic way to maximize the value of your existing content and reach new audiences. But is Gumroad the right platform for you? Gumroad offers an opportunity to earn without creating your own products from scratch. By leveraging what you already have, you can save time and effort while still generating income. Whether you choose affiliate marketing, reselling, or upcycling, Gumroad provides the tools and support you need. But how effective are these tools in practice? The platform is versatile and caters to a wide range of creators, from digital artists to educators and beyond. But does it meet your specific needs? The power to unlock your online income potential is in your hands. Explore the platform, connect with creators, and discover if Gumroad is the right fit for monetizing your skills and knowledge. Evaluate your options and decide if Gumroad aligns with your goals. With the right approach, your success could be just a few clicks away.